Hello, great people. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite towns. You know what it is, Harrisburg, North Carolina. I welcome you to this captivating town where you will be swept off your feet by its small town charm, great energy, and a wealth of incredible opportunities. As a passionate real estate agent, I cannot wait to share all the thrilling details about your move to Harrisburg, North Carolina. Harrisburg has a population of approximately 16,000 residents, creating a close-knit community where neighbors quickly become friends. The warm and welcoming atmosphere in Harrisburg will make you feel like you found your forever home, surrounded by a supportive network of individuals who truly care. Harrisburg offers a diverse range of housing options to suit every lifestyle and budget. Whether you're looking for a cozy single-family home, a trendy townhouse, whether new or existing, I promise you'll find your dream home in this quaint town. With its close proximity to Charlotte, which is just 15 minutes away, Harrisburg provides the perfect balance between small-town living and easy access to big city amenities. You are surrounded by clean supermarkets, malls, hospitals, various financial institutions, gyms, pet clinics, etc. And if you like nature, you will be delighted by the abundance of outdoor activities in Harrisburg. The town is surrounded by stunning parks, tranquil lakes, and scenic nature preserves, inviting you to explore the great outdoors. From hiking trails to fishing and pristine lakes, Harrisburg offers endless opportunities to reconnect you with nature and the unforgettable memories. Harrisburg knows how to celebrate. Throughout the year, the town hosts a variety of exciting festivals, events, and farmers markets. From live music performances to tasty restaurants, these gatherings offer a wonderful opportunity to connect you with your new neighbors and immerse yourself in the local culture. Get ready to experience the vibrant spirit of Harrisburg as you join in all the festivities and make cherished memories. Families with children will appreciate the exceptional education system in Harrisburg. The town is served by highly rated public schools that are committed to providing a quality education and nurturing the growth of every single student. Additionally, Harrisburg is conveniently located near renowned colleges and universities such as UNC Charlotte, Queen's University Charlotte, Davidson College, Catawba College, and that's just to name a few. And they all offer excellent higher education opportunities for both students and professionals. Harrisburg has experienced remarkable growth and development in the recent years, making it an ideal place to pursue professional opportunities. The town is home to a thriving business community, providing abundant job perspectives across various industries. Whether you're seeking employment in healthcare, education, retail, or any other sector, Harrisburg offers a supportive environment for career growth and success. Harrisburg benefits from its close proximity to major airports, ensuring convenient travel options for both domestic and international flights. The Charlotte Douglas International Airport, located approximately 19 miles just southwest of Harrisburg, is a hub that offers a wide range of flight options. As one of the busiest airports in the United States, it provides excellent connectivity to various destinations worldwide. In addition to the Charlotte Douglas International Airport, Harrisburg is also conveniently located near the Concord Paget Regional Airport, situated just 16 miles northeast of Harrisburg. This regional airport offers a bunch of travel options for both commercial and private flights. With both airports within easy reach, residents of Harrisburg can enjoy a hassle-free travel experience, whether you're planning a business trip, a family vacation, or visiting loved ones. Major highways such as I-485 and I-85 run through and near Harrisburg. As you can see, Harrisburg, North Carolina can be quite the place for you. It is definitely a hidden gem. Now, here are some tips for an unforgettable move. First, familiarize yourself with Harrisburg's distinct neighborhoods to find the perfect fit for your lifestyle and for your preferences. Secondly, partner with a knowledgeable local real estate agent like myself who can guide you through the process, ensuring a seamless and stress-free transition to your new home. And third, consider enlisting the assistance of professional movers to handle the logistics, allowing you to focus on the excitement of your new home. In closing, I want you to know that Harrisburg, North Carolina eagerly awaits your arrival. We're ready to embrace you with its warm community, exceptional education system, and an abundance of opportunities. So get ready to embark on a thrilling journey filled with endless possibilities, incredible experiences, and unforgettable memories. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for exclusive tips and updates on all things Harrisburg, North Carolina to make your transition even more extraordinary. I'm wishing you the best of luck on all your exciting moves and let the adventure begin. Thank you for tuning in. I invite you to ask any questions, provide comments and feedback. I'm here to help you however I can with all your real estate needs. Until we meet again, be blessed. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Take care.